Aim of today's practical is to prepare Benzene from the benzoin. So the requirement to perform these experiments are glassware required are round bottom flask, beaker, pipette, glass rod and the Buckner funnel for the filtration. And the chemicals required are benzoin, concentrated nitric acid, ethanol, cold water. So the reaction for the preparation of benzene from the benzoin is benzoin on reaction with concentrated nitric acid form the benzoin. In this OH group is converted into the ketonic group. So this is the structure of benzene. Now let's see the procedure. First we will take a 250 ml round bottom flask to which we will add 20 gram of benzoin and to which we will add 100 ml of nitric acid. And the above mixture is heated on a water bath for at least 1.5 hours until the evolution of oxides of nitrogen ceases. Then this content is poured in a 3 to 400 ml of ice cold water and the product is filtered and then washed with the cold water. Since the benzene is insoluble in the cold water but the impurities which are soluble in the water can be removed out by this washing step. And then after completion of this washing step, then we will perform the recrystallization using the ethanol. And after recrystallization, we will dry the product and calculate the percentage yield. Now let's perform the experiment. First, I will weigh 20 gram of benzoin. Now I will neutralize the weight of the paper. Now I will take 20 gram benzoin. Now you can see 20 gram of benzoin has been weighed. Now close the bottle. Now transfer this benzoin into a 250 ml round bottom flask. Now to this we will add 100 ml of nitric acid. Since nitric acid is very strong in nature, so take it with precaution while wearing the gloves. Now I will measure 100 ml of nitric acid using the measuring cylinder. Immediately close the bottle of the nitric acid. Now I will transfer this 100 ml of nitric acid into this benzoin. Now I will allow this solution to be heated on the water bath for at least 1.5 hours with occasional shaking until the evaporation of oxides of nitrogen ceases. So I will clamp this on water bath. Now I will allow this solution to be heated for about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, I will remove this RBF from this water bath. After this, I will transfer the content of this solution into about 300 or 400 ml of cold water. As heating has been completed, now I have removed this round bottom flask from the water bath. Now I am going to transfer this content into the cold water. I have taken cold water in this conical flask. Now I will transfer this mixture into this cold water. Now I will filter this solution, then wash with the cold water because impurities are insoluble in the cold water, and then I will recrystallize it with ethanol to get the final pure product, that is the benzene. Now I am filtering it. Now I am washing the product with the cold water to remove any impurity. Now let's see the calculation. Since the molecular weight of benzoin is 212 gram and the molecular weight of benzene is 210 gram. So the 212 gram of benzoin forms 210 gram of benzene. Since we have taken 20 gram of benzoin, so 20 gram of benzoin forms 210 into 20 divided by 212, that is 19.8 grams. So it is called the theoretical yield, and the practical yield obtained by our method is 17.2 gram. And the formula for calculation of the percentage yield is equals to practical yield upon the theoretical yield into the 100. Practical yield is 17.2 gram. Theoretical yield is 19.8 gram. So 17.2 divided by 19.8 into the 100. So the percentage yield calculated is 86.86%. So the benzene obtained from the benzoin by this method is 86.86%. Thank you so much.